How to find Instagram users near me. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find some users in Instagrams who near to you. So I will say that Instagram doesn't have this function yet, but I will show you some options to do. First thing, go to your Instagram. Now click on the search button up there. Now all you need to do is write the name of your country. Like for example, I'm gonna write Korea. Now click on places and choose like exactly where, and for example I choose Gwangju and click on recent. Now you're gonna find people who are in this location like near to you in Korea, and those are what I found. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.